When you search for commercial-grade weed eater line dispenser, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Anleo Life 1-pound string trimmer line. The Anleo Life 1-pound commercial square string trimmer line caught my attention with its built-in line cutter and vibrant orange color. Priced at $14.85, it promises to simplify your trimming tasks. If you want a reliable solution for tackling tough weeds, this is worth a serious look. This product has a 0.065-inch diameter and stretches 370 feet, which means you get plenty of line to work with. The built-in cutter makes it so easy to customize your line length without any extra tools. If you're constantly battling overgrown grass, having this feature can save you time and effort. It's designed for commercial usage, so you can trust it's tough enough for your needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It helps reduce the hassle of refills during your lawn care sessions, letting you focus more on getting the job done. Now, some people complained about its durability not being as great as they expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's a solid option for light to moderate use. If you're a professional gardener, you might want something more heavy duty, but for regular homeowners, it does the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking for an efficient and easy-to-use trimmer line. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs something to withstand daily heavy-duty use. For the price, it's a good value for smaller jobs. Now, if the durability concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Echo 0.095-inch diameter trimmer line. The Echo 0.095-inch diameter trimmer line really stood out because of its solid reputation and American manufacturing. Priced at $24.99, it's on the higher end, but many swear by its performance. If you want a line that stands the test of time, this is worth a serious look. This line measures 282 feet in length and 0.095 inches in diameter, making it strong enough to tackle tougher weeds and grass. This thicker line means you won't be replacing it as often, which is exactly what you need if you're managing larger properties or have thicker vegetation. Plus, being made in the USA often translates to better quality control, giving you peace of mind when you're out there trimming. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can focus on a clean cut without worrying about constant breaks or tangles, letting you finish your yard work quicker. Now, I did notice some reviews mentioning it can be a bit heavy for smaller trimmers. Here's the thing, if you have a lightweight model, this might weigh it down. But if you have a standard or heavy-duty trimmer, you'll appreciate the durability and cutting power. This is perfect for you if you have a larger yard or deal with thick weeds regularly. Skip this one if you have a lightweight trimmer that can't handle heavier lines. It's a bit pricier, but definitely offers solid performance for the investment. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget.
Product number 3, Grass Gator 5610 Pre-Cut Trimmer Line. The Grass Gator 5610 Trims and Edges String Trimmer Line caught my eye with its promise of pre-cut convenience. Priced at $17.99, it's a great option if you're looking for an easy solution. If you want something straightforward that saves time, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about this product is that it comes pre-cut, so you don't have to deal with winding and cutting your line. It's 0.095 inches in diameter, which strikes a nice balance between durability and manageability. This means you can easily switch out lines without any hassle. Perfect for those quick jobs where you don't want to waste time preparing your equipment. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It streamlines your lawn care routine, allowing you to get in and out quickly without sacrificing performance. However, some users have mentioned that the pre-cut length can be a bit short for larger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're just maintaining a small yard, it works perfectly. But for extensive landscaping, you might need to stock up on a few packs. This is perfect for you if you prefer convenience and have a smaller yard to maintain. Skip this one if you're dealing with large areas or heavy growth regularly. For the price, it's a solid option for quick maintenance. Now, if pre-cut convenience isn't what you're after, let's check out something that focuses on strength.
Product number 4, Tear Products Round Trimmer Line. The Tear Products commercial-grade .095 trimmer line caught my attention with its emphasis on quality and affordability. At just $9.95, it's an exceptional value. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, this is worth a serious look. This round trimmer line is 0.095 inches thick and comes in a generous 144 feet length. This means you're getting a reliable line that can tackle a variety of weeds without breaking the bank. Its design helps with cutting efficiency, making it easier to slice through grass and weeds effectively. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can maintain a well-groomed lawn without constantly worrying about running out of line, which saves you time and energy in the long run. Now, I did find a few complaints about its tendency to tangle during use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with your spool setup, this shouldn't be a major issue. For the price, it's worth a little extra attention to avoid frustration. This is perfect for you if you need an effective trimmer line without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium product that guarantees zero tangles. For budget-conscious buyers, it's a fantastic deal. All right, that was a great budget option, but the last one on my list offers a twist on design that's hard to beat.
Product number 5, Tear Products Square Trimmer Line. The Tear Products commercial-grade square trimmer line really grabbed my attention with its unique square design. Priced at $10.45, it's slightly more than the round version, but offers some distinct advantages. If you want something that really cuts while providing value, this is worth a serious look. This line is also 0.095 inches in diameter, but has a square profile, which means it can slice through weeds more effectively than traditional round lines. The square design allows for better cutting performance and longevity, making it a favorite among landscapers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's about getting the job done efficiently and with less wear on your trimmer, which is a win-win. However, some users found the square line can wear down faster if used on hard surfaces. Here's the thing. If you're mostly trimming grass and soft weeds, you shouldn't have any issues. Just be cautious if you're in rocky area.
So to sum it up, the Anleo Life offers great convenience, but might not hold up for heavy use. Echo is solid for larger jobs, but comes at a higher price. Grassgator provides quick convenience for smaller yards. Terra's round line is budget-friendly, while the square line offers cutting efficiency. Choose based on your specific needs, and you can't go wrong.